Did you know 3 men once walked unharmed through flames hot enough to melt gold? King Nebuchadnezzar built a giant golden statue and commanded everyone to bow down when the music played. Anyone who refused would be thrown into a blazing furnace, heated 7 times hotter than normal. 3 Jewish men named Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused to bow. They told the furious king, "Our God can save us from your furnace, but even if he doesn't, we will never worship your golden statue." The king ordered them thrown into the fire while still tied up and fully clothed. But when he looked into the furnace, he saw something impossible. 4 men were walking freely in the flames. The 4th one looked like a son of the gods. When the 3 men came out, not a single hair was burned. Their clothes didn't even smell like smoke. Only the ropes that bound them had burned away. The king was so amazed that he made a law protecting anyone who worshipped the true God. Sometimes our greatest trials become the place where God's presence shines brightest.